Lindsay from the Swing Project, and in this video we're looking at variations for our 8-count Lindy Hop footwork. We're going to be combining a kickball change with a push triple step to create a challenging but fun variation for you to try at home. If you're unfamiliar with either of those components, maybe check out our other videos so you can become familiar with them before we put them together in this video. Let's start by recapping our 8-count Lindy Hop footwork, starting on the right foot. 5, 6, 5, 6, off we go. Step, step, triple, step, step with the counts. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This variation we're going to try is a mixture of a kickball change and the pushed triple step, where we move that first step of the triple just ahead of the beat, so we hit the and instead. We're going to try this on 5, 6, 7 and 8 of our 8-count basic. Let's just get up to the end of beat 4. 5, 6, 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of this triple step, my weight is over my right foot, so I'm ready to kick for the kickball change on my left. Kick and change. Now, at this point, I don't want to commit my weight fully to that right leg where I've stepped on it for my and change of my kickball change. Instead, I'm going to use it to spring off to hit that and for my push triple step. Let's just see what that looks like. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, kickball change and. Let's try it again all together. 5, 6, 7, 8, step, step, triple, kickball change and. We want to have our weight over that left leg so that we are ready to finish our triple step and step underneath ourselves. Let's try putting it all together. We've got our kickball change and then our push triple step. 5, 6, 5, 6, off we go. Step, step, triple, kickball change and an 8. Step, step, triple, kickball change and an 8. Let's give it another try. 5, 6, 5, 6, here we go. Step, step, triple, kickball change and an 8. Step, step, triple, kickball change and an 8. If you're feeling good, let's try integrating it with our 8-count Lindy Hop footwork. We'll do one basic and then try the variation 3 times through. 5, 6, 5, 6, here we go. Step, step, triple, step, step, triple, kickball change and an 8. Step, step, triple, kickball change and an 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and an 8. I love how playful this variation feels, so give it a try, and in the second video we're going to have a look at popping it in a different place in our footwork.